Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay.
We're going on a camping. It's Sunday today. Mother's Day. Kami ay magka-camping for 2 nights. What? Yeah. Naghahanap siya ng aking tabo. Naiwan ko yung tabo sa kanyang inay. Yung aking panghugas. Kasi hindi tayo mabubuhay na walang panghugas. Kasi ala namang bidet doon sa camping site. So, kailangan ko. So, ang kinuha niya ay measuring cup. Dadaling ko to. And then, aking tubig. Baby, did you put water in the container?
Yeah.
Okay, so, ayan na yung aming... Ang laki kasi na ito. Nung binilihan, hindi naman ganyan kalaki. Ngayon, pagka, alam mo yun, yung pagka ikaw na nagtupi nung gamit. Hindi mo, para siyang comforter. Pagka tinupi mo, hindi mo na mabalik sa dati. Ganun lang yun. Oh. Wait there. Umuulan yung aming camping. Ayan. Tignan natin. Ayan, para kita kami dalawa. Anyway. Wala ko yung sanis ko. Nakalimutan niya yung aming panluto. Is it the stove? Kalimutan niya yung aming panlutuan. Diba, punong-puno. Hindi kasi siya marunong talaga magsalansa ng gamit. Kabud lang niya sinaksak yan ang sinaksak. Ando lahat. Yung aming yung kubol na binili, yung tent, tapos yung aming sleeping tent, saka yung aming papatungan ng tent, stretcher. What's that? Oh, what about the cooking thing?
What cooking thing?
The stove.
Yeah, I got that.
You got chair?
Got the 2 chairs. Oh, just the little one.
Yeah. So, are you okay to drive with this? You can't see the back?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay. Hindi kasi siya marunong mag-ayusing. Nasa kwarto kasi kung ako'y nahihilo. Na masakit ang tiyan, na nasusuka. Ganun yung nararamdaman ko. So, Mother's Day, doon namin sa celebrate yung Mother's Day. Kasi it's Sunday, wala siyang pasok ng Lunes, Martes. So, 2 nights kami doon. Tapos, uwi kami ng Martes. Tapos, punta sa nanay niya. Saglit. Tapos, Miyerkules, papasok na siya. So, yeah, mamaya pakita ko sa inyo pagka nandun na kami, pagka nagsiset up ta-timelapse ko na pagka nagsiset up na kami ng tent namin, and tapos pupunta kami sa Kohl's or whatever shopping center there kasi wala kaming food. Kailangan namin bumili ng lulutuin, which is pang 2 nights lang naman, tapos breakfast. Gusto niya bacon and egg for breakfast. So, bacon and egg kami for breakfast, and then wait there. You got slipper or shoes? Yeah, ganyan tayo neglected. And the dry lips ko. Nag-ano naman ako moisturizer na lips.
Oh, did you see a piece of paper?
What paper?
With I had on the.
It's on the table, right? I know.
Yeah.
No. I put that in the drawer. Kitchen. It's there. So, yeah. Pero kung may makakalimutan naman, madali lang naman bumalik kasi hindi naman to malayo. Ilang minutes lang to sa bahay. Tapos very secure. So, feeling ko, kami lang talaga mag-camping doon. Pero sana merong iba pa rin tao. Para naman hindi, alam yan, nakakainip. Pero anyway, paro kasi kami ayaw namin sa tao. Mahiyain kami pareho. You got everything? That's your slippers and everything?
Yeah, I got shoes.
Okay.
Stay up there.
Okay. I'm gonna turn this off later. Naman.
Gotta ring Mum.
Here. And look at that. It's raining. Oh, that's cute. That's cutie.
I don't think I'm gonna get this out of my head.
Oh yeah, it's raining. Iyan dyan kami sa tabi ng tubig. At umuulan, buti na lang yung aking camera ay water resistant. Pero yung cellphone ko hindi. So, kailangan natin iwan ang phone dito. At ako nasusuka. Meron akong sarili kong ganun. Poncho. Wait there. Oh, meron akong sarili. Okay. Ayan. Tara. Tayo sa labas. What? I don't know how to... How did you do that? Did you lock it? So should I lock it like that? Okay, I'll do it. Wait. Nilalak pala rin. Okay. Pumping while it's raining. It's so good. It's so good. Doesn't matter. Ayan. So, wait there. Hey. Set up na. Yung aming, what do you call this? Gazebo?
Gazebo.
Andyan si Snoopy. Meron kaming gribo doon at lamesa. Kasi sino may sabing...
Yeah, ground, covered down.
Yeah. Who told us to go on camping while it's raining? Who told us? Ngayon meron silang light dito which is nakakatakot. Akala mong may sawa o... Alam mo yan? Na may aahon din eh. Pero anyway. What's the thing? Is that the floor mat?
Yeah.
Okay. Para kami nagloyos. We're like evacuated. Okay. Oh. Ang gulo ng lahi. Sapatos. Umulan. Nalagay na yung aming sahig. Tapos, bahala na.
On the back, eh?
Yeah. Kasi maputek. Putik-putik na yung paa ko, ha. Pero gusto kong hubarin yung tsinelas ko. Tadan! Ayan o. Meron pa kami dito. What's next, Baba? Ha?
The cover for...
The wall cover?
We can put that on if you
Yeah.
We'll cover that slide
Meron din kami dalang kahoy.
somewhere.
Oh, this one.
That's it.
Pandingding. Para hindi umangyo. Ay, nako. Lalayas sa mga bata.
That's it. I haven't put this up before, so it's a 3-metre wall.
Ta-da! Oh, my yes. Ta-na-na-na-na. Wala na naitulong ako. Hindi ko kasi abot. Dito kami matutulog for tonight. Sana walang ahas. And then. Is this fun? Woo! Windy! I turned it! Kaya nakabit na yung aming dingding. Hindi ko alam, dito yata papesto yung aming hihigaan. Para gumulong kami dun sa tubig. Hey! Yan, ang gusto nyo.
There's a wall right there.
Yeah. So good, Papa. Don't touch. Malakas pa yung ulan. Oh, how are you gonna put the thing there, the light?
I'll get them in there.
Okay, what's next?
I can see what we're doing. So
Okay.
now we can put up the stretcher. Then you want to put up go over this side.
One more time.
You get the stretcher up.
Get this table para maipat mo yung aking camera.
It's good that we got the car under here just a little bit.
Yeah. Yan, kailangan yung mini table. Lalagay ko kayo dito. Here. So, para ma-timelapse ko yung pagsaset up ng aming tent. Wait there. Ayusin ko yung amin dito.
The shading.
Sige dun.
You having fun yet? Oh, that's nice. Like that.
Yeah, you just need to put the other side there.
That's all right. Oh, I don't know what to do that.
And I'm in bed tonight.
Okay.
And then meron kaming pailaw later. Ayan.
Peg and hammer and electrical stuff, so I don't want to get it wet.
Okay.
We're not going to do it.
Meron kaming toilet paper. Meron kaming kitchen towel. At yung kanyang tags, pero tags. This one. Okay. Pero kami na to yung aming pang ano ba yun? Basta yung parang manonood. Ganon. Pero kailangan ko yung speaker ko. Kaya lang yung cellphone ko nandoon pala. Mamaya na lang. That's nice. Muulan pa rin. Ayan.
There's no way you can sort of drive it.
Yung itsura ng aming sasakyan. Ha?
No way you can kind of drive it. So.
Oh, maliligo ng ulan. Buti hindi bumubuhos yung ulan. So, kailangan niya secure para in case man humangin, hindi tataob itong aming gazebo. So, ayan ang aming magiging bed sa tonight. Hindi ko alam kung i-adjust pa niya yan. Dito ilalagay yung lamesa. Hindi ko alam kung nasan yung lamesa. Ito kasi ito kalanto eh. Ito yung ihawan namin, which is hindi ko alam kung magagamit namin at umuulan. Siguro nandiyan. Ito yung aming ilaw. Try natin ikabit yung ilaw doon sa higaan. Right. Let us open. Bobo! Yay! Ilaw kami. So, something like that. Ang kwarto. Tapos meron pa din kaming ilaw pang gazebo. Hindi ko alam kung naririnig nyo ako. Ayun, electric fan. Ayan, namatay na. Ito. How you gonna get in Snoopy?
In Snoopy?
Yeah, you're wet.
Oh yeah, I'll figure it out, Mama.
Lumalakas ang ulan. Ha? Yeah. Tingnan niyo daw siya. Oh, yan ang ginagawa niya. In-improvise niya lang yan. Yeah. Nag-improvise lang siya para strong ito. 4 na sulok yung gagawin niya. Which is, akala mo namang buti malapit kami dun sa gripo tsaka yung lamesa kung aaraw kasi hindi naman aaraw.
Oh, you got a chair. I told you yesterday you make a good chair.
Tignan nyo yung sapa. Sapa? Sapa yata sa atin to o lawa? Sapa o lawa? Ganyan. Kasi sino may sabi na Sino may sabi mag-camping kami ng umuulan? Naka-set up na. Ayan o. Ang saya. Nakaupo ako sa cooler. Hey! This is fun. What? Yeah.
It's okay when it's not raining.
May mga kapitbahay naman kami. So, okay lang. Ay, malulubat na to. Mamaya na nga lang ulit. 9 minutes na pala to. Mag-8, magta 10 minutes. Yeah, that's gonna be perfect.
There's water running down.
Tapos na. You're good.
Yeah, we're good. Is there anything important in here that you don't want stolen?
Everything.
This is a good spot, man.
Everything. Yeah.
I hope that I get too mad if I use my portable fire pit. I want to. It's going to be perfect out there.
Yeah.
Sitting there.
So, I'm gonna do that. Yeah, get whatever you need to put in the car. Anyway, let's start stove. Meron kaming maliit na gasol. And then, yan ang aming seasoning. And meron siyang compartment. Dito. Ayan. Yung aming mga gamit. Plato, baso. At yung iba pa. Yung panluto. Yan. Tsaka kutsilyo. At yung ano ba? Naset up na lang eh. That's nice. Para. I like it.
Zip tie this to the inside. See how that wall is?
Yeah.
Anyway.
That's nice. Maambon pa rin. Pero may araw ng konti. Sumisilip yung araw ng konti. That's masarap na. You happy with that?
Yeah, this is pretty good.
Yeah. Medyo mali lang yung napiling area kasi palusong, pababa. Ang lambot ng lupa, nandidiri ako. So, yun yung aming side. Tapos, yung side, and ayan, open siya, pero okay lang naman, safe naman dito. May mga tao, konti. Tapos yun ang aming back. So, yeah, so far so good. Siguro kung medyo umatras pa kami, hindi kami babahain. Ha? Yeah. I can feel something in my feet. Ew, look at that. Ang dumi. Pupunta kami ng grocery kasi
Yeah.
kailangan namin bumili ng pagkain. Ako'y magluluto. Ah, Baba!
Especially for private.
You said you wanna eat rice. I didn't bring rice.
Oh, that's
Gusto kong magluto sana ng adobo tas kanin. Nagugas ako ng paa. Nandidiri ako sa paa. Yung gripo. Gripo. Pumasok yung dumi sa kuko ko. Tapos susuot ko yung aking pants kasi niyang-yang ko. So, ayan yung table. Kung summer, maganda dito. Kaya lang, super crowded. Super dami na ng tao. So, ayan, table. Malapit din sa gripo. Kung kailangan namin ng tubig pang hugas. Kung iihi, pwede na ako umihi din eh. Malapit din kami sa toilet.
Hello.
Yeah.
We'll be warm enough in there.
Buti na lang tong camera ko. Pwede basahin. So, ayan. Sasatapat kami ng tubig. And, maganda sana to kung hindi umuulan. Tapos may araw. Tapos makikita mo yung sunset. Tapos mag-aapoy ka. Let's see. Gusto kong kumain pa naman ng adobo. I forgot to bring rice. That's why I've been thinking what I forgot. Because I feel like I forgot something.
I've brought everything else. Hey, you've done really bad, bub.
I need to be careful walking.
You jumping.
Yeah. Pasok ako sa sasakyan at mag-charge. Charge ko ng... Yay! Woo! Okay. Susuot ko yung aking pants. The time it's okay? You're living like that? Wait there. I need to put my pants on.
Please. Well,
Yay! We're back!
that's what you'd age when you
Yeah.
have. Very good setup. I'm very happy with it. If we want more room, if it wasn't raining, we could push that
Yeah,
out and give us this whole 3 metre by 3 metre.
yeah.
But,
I'm glad the rain stopped.
yeah. So this can be out in the rain.
Yeah, because it's waterproof.
Yeah. But I think for the minute, I think for today and our first little camping expedition, we'll just have it like that, I think.
Yeah. And we got chair. We got 2 of that. And yeah, maganda ng panahon. Oh, ayan.
We'll wait till a bit
You
later.
can hear the birds.
We'll wait till a bit later and then we'll set up our campfire.
Yep. Yan yung kanilang. I like it.
Mm.
Oh, this is nice.
Yes, that one there, see how it's supposed to bow up?
Yeah.
This one's bowing down. I don't know why. This one beam is kind
Oh,
of
yeah.
bowing down. It's not bowing up, but anyway.
Yeah.
Next time I'll buy a
We got
better
fairy
quality.
lights. Tada! Mamayang gabi maganda yan. Pagka madilim na. Then, yep. Yung aming kitchen set up. Mag-aadobo ako tonight and then tomorrow night magluluto ko ng nilaga. Pork nilaga. Is this mine?
Yep. And this is yours too. Oh, because you need something. I know you're struggling.
Sabi.
Yeah, here you go. You eat that. So how you do it is you get a rice cracker, you get a piece of salami, and there's each for each cracker. Well, you get the cheese, and then there you go. You eat that, and then I'll give you the rest.
That's yummy. Look at that.
And that's for you,
Baby, put it there. I'm drinking.
for you, brother, for snacking. Perfect view. I'm glad we got near the creek.
That's good. We're gonna try to set up the.
If they let
The
us,
fire?
we could. If we had our own canoe, we could just canoe straight from here.
Yeah.
But since we don't, they don't let you canoe up the creek.
Yeah.
We could have just tied. That's why that rope. See, there's that bit of rope there. That's where people park their canoes.
Very good. I hope this weather is just like this. Yan o. Ganda. We got Moscato. In total, 7. 7 bottles of Moscato.
Oh yeah. And this is all good. I'm happy with this.
Yeah, me too. It's good.
We'll be alright. We'll be warm enough.
It's so good.
Yeah.
This is nice. I like it.
Comfy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm pretty
Look at
happy
that.
with it.
We got our chair.
What I'm going to do is get more of those little hooks from work.
Yeah.
Because they're handy. Like this is perfect. Houses. That's what Hayden done.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he stayed here while he was getting renovations and stuff done on him.
Hey! Dito tayo anuhan ay. Wait.
That bed won't get wet.
Yeah. Hindi naman kasi kami pwedeng mag-camping ng. Alam mo yun, yung maaraw kasi ang daming tao dito, crowded.
There we go. Bed's nice and dry. That's good.
This is nice. So, look at that. It's raining. We got our water here and our seasoning there. And then,
Hoping to use that later.
ayan yung aming compartment. Andyan yung aking lutuan and everything. And this one. Yan. So, yeah, mamaya magluluto ako. Umuulan. I like it. I'm gonna play music again and yeah, baka maka-copyright ako. Mamaya na lang ulit. Tayo ay magluto ng adobo. Yung kanin ko, hindi malaman kung luto o ano. Lagyan natin yung bawang. Maamoy nila yung ating ginigisa. Umuulan na naman. Ito yung aking minarinate na pork. Ito natin iluluto. Tapos lalagyan ko ng patatas.
Oh, that sounds good.
Lagyan na natin yung karne.
least we got the gazebo to give us a bit of shelter.
Yeah,
Otherwise, we'd be sleeping in the tent.
I know, right?
That'd be nice.
Okay. You okay?
You're doing good, brother. It smells delicious, by the way.
I just need to toast that. I miss adobo.
Quite amount of shelving.
Yeah. Very good. I cook rice.
Worse, brother.
It's been a while since I cooked rice on the stove.
It's pretty bad. Yes, I can tell.
Huh?
I can tell.
Yeah. Oh, Baba, it's been a while. It's been like over a year. I tried. And I'm gonna put this thing.
That's it. Workable?
Yeah. Pepper, I can't even see shit.
The magic to that.
Yeah, just a little bit. There. Eating. Okay, give me that shit. Stay there. Kapag salang na ako ng aking adobo and meron na rin kaming pang apoy later. Nagsayang ako ng kanin sa kalan. Parang ginamay ko pa kasi parang tagal. Parang lagpas isang taon na ako hindi nakakapagluto sa kalan ng kanin. So habang pinapakulo ko yung aking adobo, tayo ay maglakad-lakad, ako ay nakapaa. Yun ang aming setup. Eh guys, siya doon. Tapos nandun, merong ibang campers doon. Siguro mga 5. O 4.
That's how I
4.
should have the tarp on the other side up underneath.
Yeah.
That's the issue.
So 4 yung nagka-camping, 5 yata kami.
The side just a zip tied up there. I still went from the inside.
Yeah.
Right up?
Yeah. So imagine nyo pagka ano to, pagka summer, daming tao dito. Ito yung kanilang fire pit. Diyan ka dapat mag-aapoy, which is doon kami nakapark. Meron kaming sarili, so tatago namin kasi wala naman taong masyado. 5 lang yata kami nagka-camping dito. Kanina may mga nagfi-fishing doon, may mga bata. So pwede ka ditong pwede kang mag-charge, pwede kang gumamit ng kuryente. Yeah. Ayan.
Plug your caravans into.
Yan. Tapos merong gripo. Pwede ka.
Well, we didn't pay for that.
Yeah, I know. So, kung magbubook ka, kailangan mong sabihin kung gagamit ka ng kuryente o hindi. Makainom. Tignan natin yung...
Light inside the tent.
Ha?
Light in the tent.
Ha?
Show them the light in the tent.
Oh yeah, meron kami ditong pailaw sa aming... can you see that?
Oh, that smells good.
Yan, meron kaming pailaw tsaka may electric fan yan. Para nagsisirculate yung hangin. Yan yung aming pailaw. Mamaya maliwanag yan. Tsaka yung aming fairy lights. Paikot yung aming fairy lights. Maliwanag pa naman eh. Pero since maaga dumidilim dito, so yan. Mukha lang madilim. Tingnan natin yung aking adobo. Wala akong dinalang suka. Nakalimutan ko. Pero may magic sarap ako. Bukas, ang lulutuin ko ng hapunan ay nilaga. Kasi malamig, nag-uulan. Kailangan namin ng sabaw. Hindi rin ako nagdala ng laurel. So, ano talaga? Girl Scout. Kailangan. So, dagdagan natin ng tubig.
It's in here, okay, Bubba?
Yeah.
That's down there in case if you have any issues.
Yeah.
Well, I'm sleeping this side, aren't
Yeah.
I?
You're sleeping on that side. I'm gonna be on the other
You're
side.
going to be in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll put it down there.
Ang bango ng adobo. Can you smell the adobo, Bob?
Yeah. Smells delicious.
Oh, shit. I hope the
Smells
neighbor gonna be jealous on that. Hey! Ang ganda, di ba? Ayan, oh. Yan ang aming setup ng aming camping. Aming first night here. Yan. Yan siya. So, i-charge ko muna to, tapos balikan ko kayo later pag maliwanag pa, kasi hindi ko alam kung maliwanag to sa camera eh. So, mamaya na lang. Ang dilim na! 5:37 pa lang, pero ayun, madilim. Meron kaming fire doon, and then yan yung aming fairy lights. Fairy lights. Kapag palit na rin ako ng tracksuit. Ayan.
That fire's gonna go for a while.
Ito, pang winter ko to. Pang, ano ko. Ah, it's not that cold yet. In this, inside this. Yeah. Pero that's okay. Magta-try kami manood ng, what we gonna watch? What they call that?
Oh, the
Projector?
Yeah. Oh, I've got to get this in the car.
Yeah. Meron kaming projector, tapos ilalagay namin doon sa may pinakadingding, tapos manonood kami. Panoorin namin. Bahala na madilim. May ilaw kami sa loob, may ilaw din kami dun sa labas. Tapos malapit din kami sa may poste, which is hindi naman sobrang liwanag. Nalobat yung isang ilaw namin, yung parang lampara. Tapos nalobat na rin yung pang-charge namin. So, bukas pa namin siya mag-charge yung pinaka-power bank. And, yeah. Try ko yung sana makatulog, pero yun lang. Maririnig yung mga insekto. Tumutunog-tunog. Nakain na namin yung dinner namin. Is it yummy dinner, Baba?
That was delicious.
It's pork adobo with potato. And then tomorrow I'm gonna cook soup. Tomorrow night, it's called nilagang baboy. Kasi malamig. So, kailangan ko ng sabaw. Kami nakaligo. Uuwi kami bukas para maligo. Kasi malapit lang naman to. Sobrang lapit lang, hindi malayo. Kasya kami dito ng dalawa. Pero kung matutulog kayo, kung maliliit lang kayo, tapos apat kasya dito pahalang. Pag ganito. Ayun lang. Magsusuot na ako ng medyas ko pala. Mamaya na lang uli. O kaya bukas.
Oh, but you don't have to fix the bed in.
Yeah, wait there. Ayusin ko na yung kama. Tapos bukas ko na lang kayo balikan. So, baka ito yung part 1 and then susunod yung part 2. Pa nag-upload. So, balitaan ko kayo.